Hello, this is a video to assist you to go through your RMIN 5110 class. In this section, we will learn how to use a BA2 Plus financial calculator to compute the present and future value based on three conditions. First, we would like to give you some intuition what keys we'll be using in this session. The yellow key second at the upper left corner is a key that changes the function of the key to the yellow function notated above each key. For example, if you hit second and then FV, then the calculator will do the function CLR-TVM, which stands for Cleared Time Value of Money. In this section, the keys that we will use are located in the third row. Here, N stands for number of pairs, IY stands for interest rate, PV stands for present value, PMT stands for payment in the case of an annuity, and FV for future value. Last but not least, you should set up the default period as 1. This is done by hitting the yellow second button and then IY. If you do that, you will see that the default setting is set to 1. If not, please change it to 1 by hitting second, then IY, then hit 1, and then enter. Now we're good to go. Now let's do the first question. The question states, what is the future value of $100 growing at 8% for 3 years? Since it is saying 3 years, N will be 3. Interest rate IY will be 8 because it is growing at 8%. Present value PV will be minus 100. Here it is important to note that we put a minus sign in front of the amount because we are paying money. If we receive money, then it will be a plus sign. Calculating the future value will yield $125.97. Now we will show you how to compute future value by using BA2 Plus financial calculator. Let's clear all previous work by using the second key, which changes the key function to the yellow notations above each key. So we'll hit second and then CEC to clear all previous work, and second and FV to clear all time values. Now we will type in the information needed to calculate the future value. Note that the numbers come first before you indicate any functions such as N, PV, or FV. Also do note that you have to hit the numbers first and then the minus sign to type a negative number. So let's start. It actually doesn't matter in which order you type in the information, but it is easier to remember the information that you saved in the calculator by starting with the number of pairs, which is in the very left of the third row, and then proceed with the information on the right. That is N, IY, and so forth. So, first hit 3, then N for the number of pairs. For the interest rate, hit 8, and then IY, the key right next to N. For the present value, first hit 100, and then the minus sign, which is at the bottom of the keypad. Then hit PV for the present value. In order to compute the final result, hit the CPT key, which stands for compute, and then FV for future value. Voila, here we have the result, $125.97. The second question asks us to compute the present value. Let's read the question first. What is the present value of $100 to be received in 5 years, given an interest rate of 6%? From this question, the number of pairs is therefore 5, the interest rate 6, and the future value minus 100, because we pay money and not receive it. In other words, because it goes out of your pocket, it is a minus for you, and hence minus $100. The future value of these conditions will then be $74.73. Let's practice with our BA2 Plus financial calculator. Let's clear all previous work by using the second key, which changes the key functions to the yellow notations above each key. So we will hit second and then CC to clear all previous work, and second and FV to clear all time values. So first hit 5 and then N for the number of pairs. For the interest rate, hit 6 and then IY, the key right next to N. For the present value, first hit 100 and then the minus sign, which is at the bottom of the keypad. Then hit FV for the future value. In order to compute the final result, hit the CPT key, which stands for compute, and then PV for present value. And voila, here we have the result, $74.73. The third question asks us to compute the future value. Let's read the question first. If you receive $300 at the end of each of the next 3 years, how much will you have at the end of the 3 years, given an interest rate of 5%? This is an annuity related question, and therefore we also compute the payment for each period, which is now our question, $300. From this question, the number of periods is 3, the interest rate 5, and the annuity payment minus 300 because we pay money and not receive it. In other words, because it goes out of your pocket, it is a minus for you, and hence minus $300. The future value of these conditions will then be $945.75. Let's practice with our BA2 Plus financial calculator. Let's clear all previous work by using the second key, which changes the key functions to the yellow notations above each key. So we'll hit second and then CC to clear all previous work, and second and FV to clear all time values. To solve this question, first hit 3 and then N for the number of pairs. For the interest rate, hit 5, then IY, the key right next to N. For the periodical payments, first hit 300 and then the minus sign, which is at the bottom of the keypad. Then hit PMT for payment. In order to compute the final result, hit the CPT key, which stands for compute, and then FV for future value. And voila, here we have the result, $945.75. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy your RMIN 5110 class. Thank you very much.